Hi, welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching. This is unbagging. Didn't know there was two postage things, but here is the bag, and this is Harry Potter brushes. I love Harry Potter. So here we go. My brother got this for me, and he knows I love Harry Potter, so yeah. I love the bag. It's velvet, crushed velvet, and shiny fabric, so it's easy to do that. And here we go. So here's the brushes, what it looks like. And there's 5 brushes. So I am going to I got my cheat sheet, so I'm just laying the brushes down on who they are. It's easy for me to name these brushes out. Alright, first of all, Harry Potter. This is the Harry Potter wand. And they're all wands of the brushes. And this can be used for the inner corner of the eye. And this is Hermione's brush. And with this one, you could do the eyebrow, you could do the eye lining. So if you haven't watched Harry Potter, it's a must-see trilogy, or it's more than 3, so I think there's 8, but then Fantastic Beasts is like before Harry Potter, so those are really good movies. So it keeps going. This one is Ron Weasley's brush. And this is a pretty big brush, so you could probably do your what's your, oh gosh, what is the word that I'm looking for? Your highlighting, or you could do, you know, the crease, and just, you can do so much with this one. These are really soft brushes. I'm probably going to use these as decoration in the background. But yeah. These are really good brushes. I really like these a lot. Really good quality. I think these were like from eBay. So yeah. Dumbledore's is really cool. I think this is like one of my favorites. And this is probably can be like for buffing out your under eye with concealer with this kind of brush. And the last one is Voldemort brush. Sorry, my words are not wanting to come out right. But this is the brush, and this is for like doing your eyeshadow. It's like an eyeshadow brush. It's really very neat little brush. So yeah, you got 5 here. I love Harry Potter, so this is really, really good brushes. And I like that they're like, they're wands. So I thought that was cool. I want a wand. But these are so cool. They are a little heavy, on the heavy side, so as for me, I want these as decoration, like my Sailor Moon ones that I did. And I think these are better. But you got 5 brushes to choose and use. And I really like that. That's really cool. And I love the packaging that it comes with. It's really nice. And it says Story Look Cosmetics on the bag. Or storybook, not look. Storybook Cosmetics. It's a cute little bag for their brushes. It's really cute packaging, and I just think it's really cute. Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.